Today's tip is space organization. These are made by Sterilite. You can get these at Walmart for about 16 bucks. This is what you get. You get 3 drawers and some plastic casting wheels. Which, all right, 2-3 drawers is great. But what I did is I bought multiples of these, and these snap apart. So you can stack them more than 3. You could do 2, you could do 4. So in this case, I'm upgrading this 3x3 to 3x4, and it'll be 12 drawers, and they'll all be organized. If you really want to get crazy, you can stack way higher than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a lot less stable, and then as it gets more and more weight, it's more difficult to open the bottom drawers and stuff like that. But I'm telling you, this is a very good use of space when you want to keep things organized, and you get these at Walmart. The only downfall is these are made of some kind of plastic, and I wouldn't put these in a main bedroom because they do off gas. There's some kind of chemical thing that comes off these plastic bins. And so I have them in the closet and I have them in the bathroom. I don't care because there's a vent that goes outside. It turns on, all the time when you take a shower. So it evacuates the chemicals out. But for a garage, a closet, or a bathroom, or some other area where you're not sleeping, highly recommend it for organization. I spent my entire weekend cleaning and organizing and stuff, and I realized I need another layer, as you can see.